Hello, what is up everybody, RTH here back with yet another diecast car video, and in today's video we have another Hot Wheels diecast car, which is the tuned Volkswagen Golf MK1 or Mark 1, and this is number 4 out of 5 from Hot Wheels Tuned, so we have another tune here, and number 221 out of 250, so let's go ahead and open this one up. And before I forget, just to show you that this is a regular treasure hunt, and we will talk more about it later on in the video. So let's go ahead and open this one up. So I was like trying to hunt for this car when the case first launched. At first my impressions were, I love this car, it looks very nice and cute. Another thing is, it is a treasure hunt, so I better get it. And I was searching through that whole Toys R Us. I was searching for the cars available there, and yet I end up finding one at the back row, and I was quite surprised and managed to get one. I wanted to get another one, basically a carded version, but it's quite hard to get, to be honest. I mean, like, you get one per case, so yep, it's quite hard. Especially when it comes to a tuned Golf that's this cute. Just that, even though it's a tuned like Volkswagen Golf, it looks good in this livery, and the fact that it's a treasure hunt. So yeah, pretty interesting. They give it in this baby blue, which I do quite like, and it kind of suits the whole car itself. I mean, like, baby blue with a tuned car just looks absolutely nice. And let me ask you whether you could find the treasure hunt logo or not. Obviously you could find one if you cheat and look at this side of the car, but I want to ask you, can you find the smaller one in this video? Not the bigger one. This side has the bigger one. If you can see it, yes, it is actually at the rear fender of the car, which we will check out now. Not specifically at the rear fender, I would say it's at the rear window. So first of all, I'm gonna highlight where is the treasure hunt logo. There it is. If you cannot see it, there it is. Treasure hunt. Obviously this is a regular treasure hunt, so yeah, you have the TH logo right there, and the Hot Wheels logo right beneath it. You have some white stripes which are diagonal, and with a Volkswagen logo at the big massive door right here, which is pretty nice. And yes, a color combo of baby blue and white, which honestly looks pretty nice. So it has wide fenders right here, or like slight wide bodies, I guess. And obviously, as you can tell, you have disc white wheels, which is quite nice. I mean, they kind of suit the car very well. Moving on to the front, you have the headlight details, you have the front grille details, and the Volkswagen logo, which honestly looks pretty nice. You have the blinker details as well, which is quite small and pretty nice. You have like a big front splitter in white, which is the same color as the base. But yeah, overall pretty nice. The front, you have the tiny hood, as you can tell, because this is a tuned model. So yeah, if you look at the front windshield, it's tinted slightly blue, if you can see, and you have a black interior, which is nice. And moving on to the other side, it's quite the same, just that the only difference is you have a bigger TH logo on the other side, and you have a tiny Volkswagen logo replacing the TH logo on the other side, which is pretty nice. Moving on to the back, you have this tiny tiny rear spoiler, which is connected to the rear window, which is pretty nice. It's like a rear lit as well. And no rear lights nor license plate, which is quite sad, but still, what can you do? You have one exhaust pipe pointing upwards, as you can tell, which is nice. And you have the rear bumper in white. So moving on to the base, tuned VW Golf, what year? 2021 metal and made in Malaysia. I mean, I still remember the time where I bought the first Volkswagen Golf in white. That looked great. And then I'm not sure what other colors did they launch it. I believe was it in red, and I don't remember what other colors, but still it looked pretty great. And honestly, I really like the colors that they used for this one. This might be the best tuned VW Golf color that they've chosen and made. I'm not sure, they might do a better one in the future, who knows. But for the time being, yes, this is actually pretty nice. And furthermore, it's a treasure hunt, so it honestly looks pretty great. But yeah, what can I say? This is an awesome car. But will it beat more to like the Porsche 911, Dominic Toretto's Toyota Supra, Dodge Charger, or maybe Brian's Supra? I'm not sure. Maybe those are better than this, I assume, because this is like more to an older like tuned casting. But what can I say? At least it's better than the old classic Corvette that they've made a tune, I believe. And maybe like the Bone Shaker. But yeah, there you go. That's my review of the Volkswagen Golf Mark 1.